Welcome to Achieversnews. Cuttack Bhubaneswar brace for rain. Thundershower. The twin cities of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar brace for intermittent rain. Thundershower with one or two spells of moderate rain on Thursday, said Regional Meteorological Center here. The nowcast warning also warned of temporary traffic congestion, poor visibility due to intense spells, slippery road and waterlogging in low-lying areas and underpass roads. The MET Center suggested making arrangements to drain water and mind manholes and uncovered electric wires while walking in Cuttack and Bhubaneswar.